do you want to set up Spring Tool Suite, that is STS, on your system? So guys, this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Spring Tool Suite or STS on your Windows machine. So guys, do follow my video till end if you want to set up STS on your system. So guys, first of all, you have to install Java and Eclipse IDE, because I am showing you Spring Tools for Eclipse IDE. You can install for other IDE also. This video is for Eclipse IDE. So first of all, you install Java and you install Eclipse in your system. So I have given video for installing Java and Eclipse in my description box, or you can click on I button also to watch that video. So guys, now let's begin with the installation or setup of Spring Tools. So first of all guys, you can open any of your browser and there you can just search for Spring Tool Suite, or you can search STS download also, both will work. So now guys, here you can see it's showing me the official website, that is spring.io. you need to just click on this links. So guys, it will redirect you to the official website, that is spring.io. and guys, here it's showing Spring Tools for various ID. So here it's for VS Code, here it's for Eclipse. You can just scroll down and here you can see Spring Tools for Eclipse. So guys, depending on your operating system, you can download it. So I'm having Windows, so I will be selecting this option. So here guys, Windows x86-64, this button I'm clicking. So here you can see my download has been started. It will take a while. So guys, my download is done. Now let me just go to this download location, and here guys, jar file. So we need to extract this jar file. So you can just double click on it, so it will start extracting it, or you can right click and extract with any of the extractor. So now my file has been extracted, and here you can see we have one folder, STS. So now let's go to this folder, and now guys, inside this folder you can see we have one application known as Spring Tool Suite. So we have to start this application. This application will start your ID, and if you want to create shortcut on desktop, you can create. Just right click and select the option send to desktop. So it will create one icon on desktop, and you can rename as per your convenience. So now guys, here it's showing me the workspace directory. So this is the workspace directory. It will go under documents. The name is too big. If you want to shorten it, you can just provide whatever name you want. I'm just keeping this name, workspace spring tools. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this launch button. So now guys, here my firewall is blocking something, so I'm just going to allow this. Here my ID has been started, and the ID is very similar to your Eclipse ID if you have used Eclipse ID anytime. So now guys, I will be showing you how you can create the project. So here you can see we have options for creating project. Even you can go to file menu, and there also you have option for creating project. So I'm just going to select this option, create new Spring starter project. So just select this option, and now it will show you this window, and here we need to provide certain details related to the project. So guys, here you can see the first thing, it is showing us as what URL. So what happens when you create Spring project? It comes from this server. Whatever detail you provide, that goes to server and your project is created. So you required internet connection while creating this Spring project. So you can see the URL is https start.spring.io, and guys, then we have to provide a name. By default the name is demo. You can provide any name. I'm just giving this name. And then here we have used default location. So by default, whatever location you selected at the beginning, that is workspace, that is shown over here. If you want to change it, you can just uncheck this checkbox and click on browse button. So I'm not changing it guys, I'm just taking the default location. And then below guys, you can see we have a type, have an option Groovy, Kotlin and Maven. So I'm going to select Maven, and in packaging I will be selecting jar, that is the default one, and Java version I'm selecting 17. and here in language I'm selecting Java. Okay, then group here, if you want to change it you can change, otherwise this is just a demonstration that my ID is working. So if you keep this default detail, that's also okay. So I'm just keeping everything as it is, just changing package name. If you want to change you can change, otherwise keep the default one, and then guys click on the next button. Okay, now guys here it's showing us the dependency. So whatever dependency you require you can select from here. That's what advantage of using Spring. You don't need to do any extra configuration for things like JDBC or some web application or NoSQL project. So everything you can do through here. So whatever dependency you require you can search here, or you can just scroll down and select. So you can see here I'm just searching JDBC, so it's showing me things related to JDBC, NoSQL, and then I'm showing you just web. So since this is just a demo project, so I'm not selecting any dependency. Guys, I'm clicking on next button. So this is just a confirmation whatever we have entered in the previous window or screen. So now here guys we will be clicking on this finish button. So guys, now you can see below it has started downloading the stuff required for creating this project. So it will take a moment guys, and guys it's done. Here in the package explorer you can see my project has been created. Here is my project name. Under that we have a src main Java. Just expand it and you can see guys your package name and this hello world application. So let me just double click this hello world application, and this is the code of this application. We have a package name, some import statement, some class file, and main method. So guys, I will quickly type sys out just to print a simple message. So sys out and control space, and here guys I'm just printing a simple message in double quotes. Done guys. Now let's run this project. So to run project you can click on this play button, or you can right click on your code, and here you can select option run as, and here select the option Spring Boot app. So guys, now you can see it has started running my project, and here guys you can see I'm getting my message whatever I printed. So that's all guys. So very easy to set up this ID. I hope guys by following my video you are also able to set up STS on your system. So guys, if you like my video do hit on like button, and if you have any query you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, if you are new to my channel please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. And guys, I'm sharing lots of PDF notes related to computer science, IT, interview questions on my Telegram channel. The link of all my social media I have given in description box. You can join my Telegram channel. You can follow me on my Instagram also. I'm creating reels over there also related to this coding. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep learning and keep watching guys.